Today we'll talk about how can you find grammar on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on grammar down here. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this, and here can you start listen here with this profs here. So can you just here it's open lessons here, it's available. You just click on it here, then you click in this sign, then it's going to take you to watch this video or video class here, or just here can you select a subtitle here in this list. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.